When the heat is on, downtime isn't an option. Paratus Rentals is your go-to partner for all temperature control needs, keeping your operations running smoothly, no matter the challenge. Unexpected system failure, scheduled maintenance, or large-scale event, we've got the rental solutions you need. Our equipment tackles the toughest cooling demands, from air-cooled chillers offering 10 to 500 tons, providing reliable and efficient cooling for various industrial and commercial applications, to water-cooled chillers from 225 to 1,000 tons, delivering high-performance cooling for large-scale operations. Our cooling towers provide scalable solutions for process cooling, HVAC support, and emergency replacements, while our rooftop and commercial air conditioning units are ideal for commercial buildings, event spaces, and emergency cooling situations. No matter the complexity of your situation, we have the right equipment, the expertise, and the rapid response to keep your business operational. With access to 24 depots across the U.S., we guarantee fast delivery, minimizing downtime. Whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, or any commercial space, we tailor our solutions to fit your needs. When emergencies strike, every second counts. That's why we offer 24/7 live support. Real people ready to provide expert guidance and immediate assistance. With years of experience and rapid response, Paratus Rentals delivers top-tier cooling solutions backed by cutting-edge technology. Trust us to keep your business running smoothly. Don't let downtime cost you. Choose Paratus Rentals for your temperature control needs, anytime, anywhere.